The AddMail.net List Builder is a powerful tool for maintaining and organizing your list. You're probably already using interest groups to segment your list into manageable groups, but our interest groups have many advanced features that you may not be aware of. These advanced features make organizing your list with AddMail.net even easier and more rewarding. The first thing you'll want to do is navigate to your List Builder tab. Under this tab, click on Interest Groups. In this video, we're going to assume that you're already familiar with the basics of interest groups. If you're not, please go back and watch the Interest Groups video before proceeding. One of the most useful ways to create an interest group is to populate it from your last upload. We usually suggest that you create an interest group first, and then upload your list to the system, but this gives you a way to create an interest group if you've forgotten. Start by clicking Create Interest Group in the top-hand corner of the page. Name the interest group and then click on Advanced Options. Now simply put a checkmark in the box next to From Your Last Upload and click OK. Now your interest group will be created and populated from your most recent file upload or multiple list member upload. The next way to manipulate your interest groups in List Builder is to merge them or to create an interest group by combining the members of multiple other interest groups. The merge command is simple. You'll see the button on each of your interest groups. If you'd like to merge two or more groups into one, click the merge button on the group that you would like them to merge into. After you've clicked the merge button on a group, you will be able to select the groups you'd like to merge into that group. Put a check next to each group you'd like to merge, and then click OK. This will not create or delete any interest groups. It will simply put all the members of the selected interest groups into the group that you originally clicked merge on. Similar to the merge function is the populate from another interest group function. This is different from the merge function because you will be creating an entirely new interest group rather than just merging into an existing group. To start, click on Create Interest Group on the Interest Group page. Name the interest group and then click the Advanced Options. Put a check next to From Another Interest Group on this list. You'll now see a list of your other interest groups. Choose whichever interest groups whose members you'd like to populate the new group, and then click OK. Now you have a new group populated from the selected groups. The final, but possibly the most useful advanced function of interest groups is nthing, or fractioning. To create an nth or a fraction of a group, you will start by clicking on Create an Interest Group. Pick a name for the fraction of the group that you will be creating, and then put a check in the box where it says, From a segment of another interest group. Now you will be able to select the percentage that you want the fraction to be. And you'll also be able to select the interest group you want to create it from. This will generate a completely unique fraction of the list. So if you wanted to do 10 lists of 10% each for one interest group, they'd each have a unique fraction of that group. Each of these ways should help you organize your list and send to it more effectively. If you have any questions about the techniques that we have featured here, or if you need further help in implementing them, please do not hesitate to call us. Thanks for watching.